Hey guys, Joe here. I figured I'd do a little short here. And while establishing that the boss is getting here with Darth, springtime's coming and he's getting a little cantankerous. Mostly it was talking trash, but I think we established who's in control. Anyways, he's a good bird. So anyways, one. Alright, fine. Anyways, guys, like I do like Flint and steel and such, and not all of us have the access to a forge to hammer out their steel or whatnot, or have the means to do it, or a place. So here's what you do. You get yourself a file, like this right here. This is like a Nicholson file. You can find these, scraps, like in thrift shops and such, junk stores. And what I did is I cut it to fit my Altoids tin right here, like so. And then once I cut, I drilled a hole here for this lanyard, nice and bright yellow in case I drop it on the ground. Then I took a Dremel tool. Every household should have one, or you could use a sander or angle grinder, whatnot. Use the angle like the flaps, the sanding ones, and just you want to get the file edges just off right here, like so. And then you don't even have to quench it or even temper it at all. It just throws off sparks like so. Sorry about that. That's right. So there you have it. It's not that hard to do. Easy to do. And you'll have your flint and steel here. And Rooster approved. So, talk to you later.